Welcome to the system setup menu structure of the DCS400 series video inspection system. The first thing you need to do is turn on the system by briefly pressing the on and off switch on top of the camera scope. Then, with the system booted up, you'll notice the icon of an SD card in the upper left corner. This indicates that you are in live capture mode. Now, pressing the center menu button will bring you to a series of 3 menus used to set up the system. You can scroll right and left to access these menus by using the right and left black arrow buttons. The menus include the Advanced Settings menu, the Auto Capture menu, and the Time and Date menu. Within each top-level menu are sub-menus, and you can scroll up and down within all of these menus using the 2 yellow buttons. To make a selection within the sub-menus, you press the menu button. The first sub-menu under the Advanced Settings is the Tuner channel. This is where you can change the channel you're on in case you're using either multiple probes or there is some kind of interference. Then, when you're finished, select Exit and press the menu button. The next sub-menu is the Photo Quality channel. Select this menu by again pressing the menu button. There are 3 levels of quality you can choose from. Scroll to your selection using the yellow buttons, then make your selection with the menu button. Finally, exit this menu when you're done. The next category is Movie Quality. Here you can select either the default QVGA for 240 by 320 resolution or the D1, which is a higher quality resolution of 704 by 480, but which will also eat up your memory a lot faster. Again, exiting brings us to the next menu. In the TV Output Standards menu, you will select from the North American Standard, the NTSC, which is the default setting, or the European Standard, which is the PAL setting. Exiting again brings us to the next choice, which is the language selection. The default is English, but you can also select from Spanish and French, and recently added Chinese and Portuguese. Then we go to the next major menu, which is titled the Auto Capture menu. The first submenu is Auto Capture, which is default on. The on default is a single photo image and continuous video. If you want to change these settings and use manual capture settings, you need to turn the Auto Capture off. Then you go into the Manual Capture menu where you can select separate photo and movie settings. Photo 1 gives 1 photo at a time. Photo 3 gives you 3 photos each time you take an image. Movie 5S is a 5-second image capture, and Movie 10S is a 10-second image capture. Exiting again to the Auto Capture menu brings us to the last selection, which is the File Overwrite selection, which will enable you to record over the oldest files currently on your memory card. Finally, there is a third main menu for setting the time and date, including the selection of timestamps. To set the time and date, open the Time and Date menu with the menu button, then use the yellow keys to change the highlighted selection, and use the right and left of black buttons to toggle between your selections. Do this for all that's required. To exit, press the menu button. The next submenus are to select whether or not you want a timestamp on your still images or on your video. A timestamp shows the date and time live on each image or video captured. The selection is simply on or off. Should you want to reset to the factory default settings, which will clear all of your customized settings, select Yes in the Load Default submenu. To exit out of all menus and return to live capture mode, select Exit and press the menu button. Again, you will notice the SD card icon in the upper left corner, indicating that you're again ready to record. We hope that you will have years of great service from your Seeker 400 video camera scope. Please reference our other videos for all your Seeker 400 needs.